Hello crafters, it's Stacy Roberts here and welcome back to Amaia's workshop. In this video we're going to be doing something we have never done before. For a Christmas special we are making a DIY Jeep for your Barbie dolls. It's so exciting because this Jeep is actually going to be a Christmas present for my older sister Barbie. If you want to follow along, the measurements will be in the description down below. But before we start, Amaia worked very hard on this video, so make sure you like and subscribe if you haven't already. Alright crafters, let's get straight into the video. The very first step is what I like to call the body of the car. Cut out the two left pieces and use some hot glue to glue them together. Do the same with the right side. Then get some paper. Using some glue, glue the side to the paper. After you cut it out, use your scissors to make some slits on the paper so it's easier to fold over. Now use some glue to glue over your pieces and make some nice edges. Now you want to take another sheet of paper. Glue that paper onto the other side of your side. So now both of your sides are covered with paper. Now you're going to want to take a thin strip and then glue it on all the edges to have some nice clean edges, and repeat all of this on the other side. Next, you're going to want to cut out the bottom piece and cover it with some paper. Hot glue the sides of your car onto it. The next thing you're going to want to do is cut out the front piece and make sure it can bend so it can fit the shape of your car. After it's covered with paper, glue it on like I'm showing in the video. Now you're going to want to cut out the back piece and then just glue it on the back of your car. And just like that, step 1 is complete. Step 2 is going to consist of some details. Cut out the dashboard and then cover it with paper. Take it and glue it into the car where I'm showing. And that's it. Next, you're going to want to take some popsicle sticks and cut these pieces and also glue them together as I'm showing. And all the measurements will be in the description. Let's paint. Take some pink acrylic paint and paint the front part. It should look something like this. Take it and glue it onto your car, kind of like I'm showing in the video. There you go, step 2 is complete. Step 3 are the seats. First off, you'll need fabric of your choice, and this is the one I'm using. You're also going to want to cut out the pattern twice for the seats, so you have 2 chairs, some pillow stuffing, and lay it down. Take your fabric and cover it and then glue it on the back. This is kind of what it should look like. Because we left a little fold when we cut it out, our chair can now fold like a real chair does. It looks aesthetically pleasing on the back. Glue a little piece that fits perfectly out of the same fabric. With all these little pieces for the sides, you're going to cover them with some pink paper. Then just assemble. Just like that, you have both your chairs done. Use some hot glue to glue down your seats to the bottom of your car. And there you go, step 3 is also complete. Step 4, the wheels. Cut out the 5 strips of cardboard and then paint them with black. Then cut out the 5 circles. Paint an outer rim with black, then another one with some silver, and then make the shape of the car wheels with some pink. Then use some hot glue to glue the strip around the circle. And that's it. Now let's assemble. Hot glue 2 on each side. And glue the 5th wheel on the back of the car. We have made it to the final step, the tiny details. Cut these pieces out from the description and then cover them completely with paper. To assemble, put 2 on each wheel, on each side, right over the wheel like I'm showing in the video. On the front, use some gray paint to paint the lines I'm painting on my car. So paint a gray strip on the bottom that goes all the way around the car. I glue 2 white bigger circles on the front of the car. Under those 2, put some smaller pink ones. Okay, time for my favorite part, the license plate. You want to cut out a little rectangle of paper. You can write whatever you want on it. We wrote Barbie on this one because the car is for Barbie. However, you could write your name, maybe your doll's name, or even the state or country where you live. Then use a marker to do a little frame around whatever you write. And just glue it on the back of your car. The final step is to cut out the steering wheel and cover it with paper. And just glue it in the car. You guys, that was the end of the tutorial. I really love how this turned out and it was really so easy to make. I think anyone can do it. Barbie absolutely loved this gift, which made our whole family very happy. Thank you so much to everybody who's made it this far in the video. I really appreciate it. If you tried this tutorial, make sure to send me a picture so I can see how your guys' Jeeps turn out. Again, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe and also give this video a big thumbs up, especially if you enjoyed it. This video was very different from anything we've ever done, so let me know if you liked it and also if you liked me, Stacy Roberts, narrating it. So when this video is being posted, it is Christmas. I hope everyone had a good Christmas, or if you're watching it at another time of the year, that you guys had a good day or a good weekend. Merry Christmas and bye, crafters!